respected dignitaries and my friends. I am coming from Kerala Federation. There are 58 banks in Kerala, urban banks. Most of them are working is very good. Some banks are very weak. Recently, RBI conducted a meeting day before yesterday at Ernakulam. They discussed weak banks directly to merge to other banks. Otherwise, there is no survival. RBI's policy is very strict. So, in all India level, urban banks numbers will come down. Sometimes 1 or 2, 3 years, our bank's number is come down. Same as our commercial banks. Now, recently, central government proposed to merge all nationalist banks only for 3. Same system will be given to our sector also. There is no time to speak more. I am thanks for all. You may also come with us, urban bank sector. We want to develop this sector. Always everybody's all banks support given. All state level. Our federation invite you. In our state also, we conduct a meeting in our state next year. I invite all bank representatives to join our sector, and I thanks to the organization to give the chance to represent you. Thank you very much.